This is our tool towards the VAST 2019 challenge, and we are doing the mini challenge 1. The data that we have is for earthquake prediction for the city of Gent Ymeri. Now the tool that we can see in front of us has at its heart the map of the Gent Ymeri showing the 19 different locations which can be seen by the demarcations between each of the different neighborhoods. On top of that, we see the average of features, which shows the mean of all the different features present in the different neighborhoods, which gives you a quick view into which of the features are the most affected by the potentially predicted earthquake, which is happening in the Gent Ymeri city. To the middle of the screen, we can see the ranking of the most hit or damaged locations, which gives you an immediate idea from the emergency response team that which of the top 3 or top 5 locations need the most attention. Towards the right of the screen, we see the feature importance of the different features for the 5 most affected or damaged locations. Towards the bottom of the screen, we can see a slider which shows the average of the shake intensity during the whole duration of these 5 days. And we can also select the duration of the from and to, which can be done using the text box. And if you use the run button, it will just play it so that you can see the whole events following in a dynamic action. Now, if we go towards the first possible earthquake, we can see slowly that things will turn from green to yellowish and then orangish. So right now we can see that locations 1 and 13 are the most affected, whereas locations in green are not affected. And now we can see that as we go towards the middle of the first earthquake, we can see that more of the locations are turning yellowish or orangish, meaning that they are more affected, while the rest of the locations are green, thereby showing that they are not really affected, which is the good news. On top of that, we also have a feature where if you click on a location, you again have a radial bar chart which shows the average of each of these features within this particular time frame. And this is also very important because let's say you find out that location 17 right now is the most affected, then you figure out which of these features needs your attention. Maybe it's the medical or it's the roads and sewers, so that you have a finite resources which you can direct in different locations. Now, if we go towards the second earthquake, we will see that, again, in the beginning, things are greenish, which means that everything is fine. And usually, as the earthquake progresses, we start getting things in red, which makes sense because in our assumption, people will not be giving us data while they're trying to run and save themselves. And now, if we move towards the last or the third earthquake, we can again see that it's right now greenish. And now slowly things are again turning in the direction of higher damage. In this situation, we can see that location 3 gives us no data whatsoever, and thereby it's in light grayish color. At the end of all these 3 earthquakes, it shows, according to the map and the visualization, that our hypothesis of the 3 earthquakes hitting Gent Ymeri is true.